Anyways, a while ago, I saw workers, repair workers trying to lay repair workers working on electrical pipes, as in pipes for electrical wiring, and apparently they led to this light. Apparently something went wrong with the original wiring. If you don't know what I'm talking about these floodlights right here. And they're trying to fix them apparently, and so yeah. Guess now the pool air is gonna be, I guess now this is about as this is gonna get in the area. So yeah. At least the lights inside the pool work. But when they're gonna fix these, I'm not sure, but hopefully it's soon. Why does this camera phone not have a manual focus mode? I mean, seriously. But anyways, there you have it. Thanks so much.